no te whānau apanui tēnei. O te marae te kāinga ko Tūkāki, wana te tūpuna whare teitei, ko kai ai o te whare o te hapu. I was actually born up the Kereu River in a Nikau Ponga house, and up at a place called Te Pōhue. My father was a Pākehā and my mother was Māori. Yeah, we went up to the marae, to Tūkāki. We were taken up there by our teacher as a class to see this carver making this pole, this memorial pole. And of course it was the first time one had seen anybody doing that sort of work, carving. Here was this old, big tall man in this very dingy dark with one light bulb carving, and it was Pine Taiapa. And that really interested me and a lot of others to see him doing that, because we'd never seen it actually happening. And that interest stayed with me right through to now. In 1960, Dr. Beebe and Gordon, they introduced Māori art into the school curriculum. We were interested in developing the whole person, providing opportunities for kids to experience a whole range of experiences that they could then use the incredible facility that they had, which were their natural abilities and what they had learnt to give expression to all of that. The name Te Papa, of course, I personally was a very strong advocate of that. It was always hard at times to get across the sort of what one meant. And of course the Papa comes from Papa Tuanuku, of course, the Earth Mother. And if you're going to work as a team of people, you had to have a mother. Situation as Māori, Papa Tuanuku is the unifier for all things. We want something that's simple, easy to say, directly related to our country and to us as people.